Hello everyone. Today's video I just want to share with you how this series of videos we started with Rajeshwari Talks. We had 3 preschools, one with the name of Super Kids and 2 Montessori based preschool with the name of Tender Years. Last year, because of Corona, we had to shut down all the 3 schools, majorly because of the ambiguity and the question mark of whether the parents will send or whether the government rules will allow, or all those question marks were there, and I didn't want it. I think there were many other like me who were in the same boat of a lot of question mark, with the lot of investment being done setting up the preschool. Though my Super Kids preschool was 8 years old and Tender Years was just 2 years old, and establishing a preschool, we had put a good lot of money, and all of a sudden the rental cost and the ayahs, staff, everything, it is like a huge amount of money. If children are not there, it is very difficult to run the show, and at that point of a time, after running for 8-9 years of school and then closing it, it is not only financial burden, rather I would say more of an emotional burden, because I didn't had any attrition of neither with the teachers nor with the ayahs. Touch wood, wherein they were there throughout with me from the starting of the school till last year, and to say like I cannot pay you anymore because no admissions, no money coming in, to say to the ayahs whose major income was from the preschool to run their show at home. So to say to them, and the teachers were supportive in saying that we will, if you can pay the rent and ayahs thing, we will not take the payment for a year so that we can retain the preschool. But it was a very hard decision for me, because the rental cost itself would go beyond 1 lakh, and ayahs, rest all would, it is like impossible, because we do not know when the things are going to be all right. So I made a very hard decision of shutting down, closing down all the 3 preschools, which were really like so much attached to me, because it's the children I could see, like when I'm closing all the materials and shutting down, it is like I could see how the children, Raji aunty, I did this, when they have done something or they wanted to show me something. So all those emotional things, along with saying the sad faces of the ayahs and teachers, and these are all like very emotional thing for us. And finally I had to take a call, because no more I could pay for the rent or for the ayahs. So took a hard decision to close all the things and put all these things in a go down, with the hope that at least the next year, if at least one school, if I can start or something with that idea. I had put all the 3 preschools material in one go down, and with a heavy heart I came down to my mom's place, because I really needed a break of and to come to my original level. So took 2 months break without doing anything, just doing meditation, being silent, and a lot of other things, reading books, just to rejuvenate, relax, so that I get my energy back. So it took really 2.5 months time in my mom's place. At that point of a time, it came to my mind that I can get the strength to come back and give what was my passion. What is my passion is about training, basically training the young children just born to within 6 years, which is my core, because I really believe in that early years are the best years, and giving a strong foundation at this age is very important. wherein we shifted to our farm, and no, I thought at least through these videos I can reach out to the parents who are in need of some inputs related to parenting and bringing up the children for the wholesome development in the early years and giving a very strong foundation. So this is how we came out with Rajeshwari Talks, wherein my 15 plus years of experience in parenting and running a preschools would help a lot of parents. My vision and goal is mainly to reach as many as parents possible, because these years are very crucial. If this, I firmly believe in, if these years are taken care of very well, it is like nothing to worry, or it is like a happy period later on, 6 years plus, because you have given a strong foundation, all areas of development to the child. So do watch all our videos in Rajeshwari Talks, wherein I'll be talking to I will be covering each of the early childhood related topics, what activities to do at the same time, what parents can do to give this strong foundation to your child. Hope you enjoy these videos and are able to implement the tips what we give in these videos, and I wish you all a happy parenting.